Hi Divas. Hey, I've got a Diamond Art Club that I purchased myself. It's out of my no-buy November, but I promised this one. Before I get started, I want to encourage you to like and subscribe. We are steadily growing in members, and I can't wait till we hit 1,000. If you want to be one of our monthly giveaway winners, don't forget to go down to the link in the description box and click on member questionnaire and get that back to me, email it back to me or whatever, preferably email it back to me at Wandasworkbasket.com, at gmail.com. Goodness gracious, I'm so excited to show you this kit. When I saw somebody else unbox this one, it's like, oh my gosh, I don't want to spend money, but I have to have this one. And you'll see why in a minute. Yeah, so the contest, the like and subscribe, all kinds of things going on. Oh, the other day, I had a spoiler that I announced and had to, they weren't real happy that I announced it a week early, so you'll have to wait till Saturday and check on Diamond Art Club DIY. Oh my gosh, I can't, VIP. The Diamond Art Club VIP Facebook group, and you'll hear the announcement that everybody will hear at the same time. And I'm just so excited. I am so excited. I can't wait. So I can't wait for you to know. But keep your ears out. You will hear it. It'll go boom when you do hear it. So, all right, let's get to this kit, because this went boom in my heart, and I had to show you. This is called Dreamer, and if you have seen someone else unwrap it before, that's great. Let me open it up. Okay. Now, you know, in the bottom of the box comes the little goodies. If you're new to Diamond Art Club, I am an affiliate. However, I purchased this one myself. I am an affiliate. If you want your very first painting to order from Diamond Art Club, I have a link, an affiliate link down there. I get a teeny tiny bit kickback to me, but also you will get 15% off. More importantly, you will get 15% off of your very first order from Diamond Art Club. Okay, the first thing I pull out is this little sticker. This is Dreamer. And I'm such a hippie chick, I'm telling you. Not a hipster, a hippie chick. 1960s, 70s chickie. So she was like perfect and artistic. If you've never had a Diamond Art Club kit before, you will get a blue pen. You will get a squishy that you put on your pen to aid in your hands feeling better. Because once you start this craft, I'm telling you, you'll get addicted. A bunch of baggies, 2 heart wax, and a boat. Sometimes they put a multi-placer in there. This is a round diamond. Oh, yep, they do have a multi-placer. My favorite one, a 4-placer. Ta-da! With the thin walls. Meaning that the thickness of this is so thin here that it gets in between your drills nicely. Okay. Thank you, Diamond Art Club. With these little stickers, what I do is I like to put it on the end of the box. I'll show you, because that makes it much easier for me to see at a glance. Yeah, I just pop it on the end of the box so that when I store it like that, and I can see every one that's in there. Alright, here we go. Nice soft backed canvas. You'll notice right away, you'll notice that the edges are what I call pinked and poked, which means they are cut on a wavy line to avoid fraying. And the poked business is like sewn with no thread in the machine. It's also to prevent fraying. Right away. Look at this. Oh, my hippie heart. Can you say confetti? Look at her hair and the mandala already. I mean, these symbols are mighty clear. And I love the sparkle to the canvas. Oh my gosh. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Look at her hair. Her bandana. She is 56 by 76. She's called Dreamer by Michaelina. Can you see? Can you see her? She's got yellow and green lips. She's got rainbows in her eyelashes. She's got mandalas everywhere. She's got an artist palette. Oh my gosh. She is just so awesome. And it's a rainbow of color behind her too. There are some color blocking areas, which means a big block where you have the same drill, but there's a whole lot of confetti areas too. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, I'm going to pull her sideways now as we talk about her. Are you as wide as you can be? No, there you are. There you are. Okay. You also get, in a Diamond Art Club kit, you get a little pamphlet with instructions and an additional discount code. You get a big sticker for maybe your notebook. Trucks and buses outside. And individual teeny tiny stickers that you can use to kit up. There are 47 colors in this. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Yes. You can tell in a Diamond Art Club kit how many ABs you have because the regular colors do not start until 150. So any colors that you have that are numbered 1 through 1, 2, 3, 4 are your ABs. Now ABs is Aurora Borealis, and I'll show you the differences with them as we open the drills. I don't need to test the sticky. I mean, and I can see, even without a light pad, I can see the difference between all these colors. Sometimes the colors in other kits are so muddy that you can't tell it even with the light pad. Gorgeous. Okay, 310 heaven. But you know what? 310 blacks are there because of all the outlining. And when you have a lot of confetti like this, you might want a lot of outlining. I don't mind the 310s. Now I'm going to bring you in a little bit so you can see the colors. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 310s. And I'm not going to go through all the numbers of the colors on the drill train here. But you can see for yourself how glorious the colors are. I'm a color person. I have to have color. I must have color. There's 2 of 814 here. A gray, a dark gray black, white. The whites. There are 3865 whites. More corals and reds. Our first AB. This is AB number 133. It is number 3 on the kit. So let's look. Thank you. I have my glasses on. Oh, it's in her hair. There's lots of 3s in her hair. She has orange sparkly hair. Oh my gosh. There's some sparkles in the mandalas too. What about in the paint? Yeah, there is some in the paint, in the orange-red paint too. Cool. Okay. You can tell the difference between these 2 diamonds here, that one and that one. This one would be more sparkly. It has a special coating on it that has it reflect more light, and sometimes the colors near it bounce off of it. Oh, the 126 is also an AB, the lavender. Let me see, that is number 1. Where are my number ones on the kit? In her face, right around her face, under her neck, in the midst of her, around her glasses, the top of, right around her hairline. Ooh, that's pretty. Are there ones anywhere else? I don't see them, but I know we will find them. Okay, that's one drill train. And let's see, there's another one. Corals and purples and yellows and browns. For me, the more color, the better. I just love color. It makes me so happy. Yep, color makes me happy. What about you? Oh, another AB, a turquoise AB, a 138. That would be a number 4. Where are my number 4s? Okay, they're in her headband, in some of the decorations. Yep, in the mandalas and that kind of thing. Okay, not many, and that's good. And I see the last AB in this train. Okay. I'm coming in for a landing. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Color, color, color. Color keeps me happy. Mint green, purple. I am going to be bursting with happiness doing this one. Okay. Ta-da! I think we passed the yep, here it is. The yellow one is the last AB. Got some hitchhikers in there, I think, too. Hitchhikers are the little colors of, like, one of the colors next to it. Jump into that bag. The yellow ABs, these are number, what? 129, and that is number 2. Number 2, where are you? Number 2, where are you? Number 2, where are you? You're only a small amount here. I don't see any in the paint. Huh. Oh, alright. Well, they're in the part of the mandala that you can't see at the moment. I'll widen you out here. In the mandala all the way over here on this end. I see it. Okay, well, they're not many, so it goes to show. And again, here she is. She's going to be so cute. So cute. I lift it up. There we go. Get rid of the glare. Oops. Okay, well, I just wanted to let you know about this. I wanted to let you know that on Saturday, hang around on Saturday, we are going to have some Diamond Art Club reveals, and not just for me, but for everybody. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. So, I wish I would be able to see your reactions when you hear it. It'd be so cool. Thank you for hanging out with me today and every day. I hope you enjoy the channel. I hope you enjoy the company around here. And who knows? If you enter the giveaways, you may just win some of my kits. Alrighty. I want you to have a wonderful November. Enjoy the smell and the warmth of the fall right now. Very good. Blessings. Bye.